Welcome to 2221 Elsinore Avenue, conveniently located in the Mount Holly neighborhood of West Baltimore. This neighborhood is surrounded by lush green spaces such as the Gwynn Falls Park, Leakin Park, and if you like hiking and biking trails, the Gwynn Falls Trail is awesome. This home features off-street parking as well as plenty of on-street parking on this perfect corner lot. And can't you see yourself just enjoying all the beautiful views and having plenty of parties from this beautiful wraparound front porch? This home features 6 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and I can't wait for you to see the main level primary bedroom suite. But first, let's check out this beautiful entry where dazzling solid hardwood floors greet you as you enter this massive home. Ceiling fans have been installed throughout, but don't worry, there is central air conditioning and the HVAC system is only 3 years old. As we transition from the living room to the formal separate dining room, you can see there's plenty of room for a full dining set, as well as plenty of seating as we flow into the gourmet kitchen. This beautiful kitchen features quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, a natural gas stove, under cabinet lighting, recessed lighting, plenty of natural light from 3 windows, soft close cabinets and drawers, as well as a spacious pantry. Next, we're going to zoom past the powder room on the main level there into the main level primary bedroom suite. Hopefully by now you've noticed how high these ceilings are, as well as recessed lighting everywhere, and the size of this primary bedroom does not disappoint. Here we have 2 separate walk-in closets as we head into the primary bathroom. Here you will find a vanity with a double sink, as well as a separate jetted tub and shower. Do you know anyone who's mobility challenged and needs a main level bedroom and bathroom? Or perhaps you just prefer no stairs? Let's head upstairs and check out bedroom number 2, which is very large with recessed lighting and plenty of sunlight, right next to the hallway full bathroom that is very nicely renovated and has a bird's eye view of the beautiful backyard. Once again, this bathroom has upgraded everything with those glass shower doors. Let's head to bedroom number 3 and check out more natural sunlight and another walk-in closet before we head to bedroom number 4, which is also beautiful, plenty of natural light, recessed lighting, and another walk-in closet. Are you ready to check out the basement? Let's go. You will find that this is not your typical scary basement. There is plenty of headspace down here, plenty of recessed and natural light, 2 bedrooms, a full bathroom, and just tons of space. This is a walkout basement, and this is also a great place to put a rec room, game room, or a home gym because it stays really nice and cool down here. There is also a sump pump to keep the basement nice and dry. And now we'll head past the furnace room and bedroom number 6 on our way over to the family room area, where we will also find the laundry room, big enough for a full-size washer and dryer and plenty of storage space. And finally, the 3rd full bathroom, which is also absolutely gorgeous. Let's go check out the backyard. These Larson storm doors have a sliding screen, so you can leave that open and enjoy a fresh breeze while you're in the kitchen and you're entertaining on your back deck. This fully fenced, luscious green backyard is absolutely gorgeous and ready for soccer games or whatever you can imagine. I mean, you can do a lot with a 1/4 acre of land, right? Don't miss the 3D tour, the floor plans, the interactive map, and book your tour today.